Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naza Aulia, NPM 2441123. I am from Management 24A. Here I would like explain about sample and hypothesis testing. Definition of sample. A sample is a subset of a population selected to represent a characteristic of the entire population. Sampling is used because studying every member of a population is often impractical, too costly, or too time-consuming. With an appropriate sample, research can draw conclusions about the population efficiently. Relationship between population and sample. Population, the entire group of individual or elements of interest. Sample, a similar group taken from the population to provide information about it. A good sample should be representative so that conclusion drawn from it can be generalized to the population. The more representative the sample, the more accurate the result. Purpose of sampling. Efficiency in the time and cost reduce the reduce needed from the data collection. Simplifies data analysis. Smaller datasets are easier to manage. Allows study of large population. Many populations are too big to observe fully. Reduce complexity of research, make data collection more organized. Improve accuracy when sampling techniques are proper. A well-chosen sample leads to more valid conclusion. Types of sampling. Probability sampling. Every member of the population has a known and equal chance of being selected. This method is commonly used from research requiring high accuracy. Types. 1. Simple random sampling. Each member has an equal chance of selection. Stratified sampling. The population is divided into subgroups, strata, and samples are taken from each stratum. Cluster sampling. The population is divided into clusters are chosen. All members is the selected cluster are surveyed. Systematic sampling. Samples are selected at regular interval from a list. Non-probability sampling. Not every member has the same chance of being chosen. Use of exploratory research or when identifying the full population is difficult. Types. Confidence sampling. Based on availability and convention for the research. Purpose sampling. Selecting is based on specific criteria or judgment. Quota sampling. Samples are selected to meet predetermined quotas. Snowball sampling. Initial respondent refer additional participants commonly use hard to research population. Hypotesting. Definition of hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a statistical procedure used to determine whether a statement or claim about population is supported by sample data. It helps research evaluate whether observed results reflect actual population characteristics or occur due to change. Hypothesis testing ensures research findings are based on evidence rather than assumption or personal option. Function of hypothesis testing. To evaluate whether sample findings can be generalized to the population, to determine whether observed differences are meaningful, to provide an objective foundation for decision making, to test scientific theory or assumption. Conclusion. Sampling and hypothesis testing are essential concepts In statistical inference, sampling allows research to study large populations efficiently, while hypothesis testing provides a structured approach to making scientific conclusions based on data. Understanding these concepts support accurate decision making and enhance the validity of research findings.